Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to use some foundry waxes again, but this time we're going to use it with a stencil. It works super easy to use it with a stencil. The only thing you need to do is you do need to tape it down because you will need to do small sections at a time because the foundry wax does dry very quickly. So we're going to use a cheap makeup sponge. Make sure you tape your stencil down so that it doesn't shift while you are putting some more wax on your mat. So because this stencil isn't as big as the card front, I am paying attention to what parts of the flower would be cut off on the right-hand side, and I'm not inking those bits. I have my stencil positioned to the left side of my cardstock so that I have some black space on the right, and any flower that would be cut in half or look kind of odd, I'm not inking that. Once I've done the first layer, I do go back and add a little bit more of the foundry wax to some of the larger flowers so that when I hit it with the heat gun, those will be leafed just a little bit more than the other ones. Some of the areas where the foundry wax is fairly thin going through the stencil, you won't see the shine from the leafing. It'll just be the gold color. Now just hit it with the heat gun and let that leafing come to the surface. It's kind of like doing embossing. You can see when it happens. And when your heat gun is already heated up, it's going to happen very, very quick. So it doesn't take long at all. Now I'm going to quickly stamp and emboss a sentiment with gold embossing powder, and then I'm going to mat it with the same color yellow that is the card base color. So there we have 2 different cards, same design, just 2 different foundry wax colors, very subtle differences. And the nice thing about the foundry wax is it's super easy to clean off your stencil. Just spray on some isopropyl alcohol and then rub it with a cloth. Now do be careful with certain stencils. If you've got little bits that stick out that the cloth can catch on, be careful with it. And then you're going to flip it over and do the other side as well. But super easy to clean up. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.